Hello guys, I'm Spicy Bill and this is going to be an unboxing of the Hot Toys Movie Masterpiece Series 352, the Terminator Genisys Endoskeleton, the T800 Endoskeleton, 1/6 scale collectible figure. And of course, this version of the T800 is a slight redesign from the original because they redesigned the body for the movie Terminator Genisys. Some people like it, some people don't. Some people still prefer the original, version. I think they made some significant changes in the shoulders, the torso, and just various other aspects to make it more modern looking. Now the thing is the headpiece. The head, I think the design remained exactly the same from the 1980s Terminator. So yeah, that hasn't really changed that much. I think they made some improvement to the scope work. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the box right here. Of course, I already opened it up right there. You have that. This one just opens up very easily. Movie Masterpiece Series 352. I think this came out in late 2016 or 2017. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the box. 2017. Okay, so yeah, here we have the UPC code right there. Made in China, recommended for ages 15 and up. Not recommended for anyone under the age of 3. And this figure retails. The current market price, I'm not going to give you like the retail price because I'm just going to give you the current market price right now in 2019 is about $300 to $340. And yes, this figure is on consignment. So if you guys like to purchase this figure, you can go ahead and email me privately, please. Not on eBay. If I want to put this thing on eBay, I will put it on eBay already. So anyway, this one is the, here are the people who are responsible for this figure itself. We got a picture of the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, yeah. Reminds me of good old times. The city is turning into a hellhole. So anyway, right here we have the executive producer Howard Chang, JC Hong, creative producer Howard Chang and JC Hong, product designer P. Tim, engineering designers P. Tim and Oliver Lee, paint controller right there, accessory sculptor Oliver Lee, accessory supervisor Eddie Lam, package design Zenith, ZC, and Monster JR. I don't know what JR stand for. Could be Junior. Photography director Kakin TT and Monster Junior, I guess. Production controller Ray Ling and Isaac Chan. Chan. Okay, so yeah, I think this figure is probably not sculpted. This probably designed on a computer because, well, just like all the robot stuff, it's a lot easier to design these kind of stuff using like computer aided whatever art design thing or whatever. Anyway, here we have the insert right here, and we have the figure inside the clamshell. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. This thing is pretty much brand new. So yeah, a lot of people are wondering, are these consignment figures, displayed? Most of them are just brand new. A lot of times, a lot of people that I know that buys Hot Toy figures keeps them in the box. I know it sounds crazy, but that's what a lot of Hot Toys collectors do. So I'm the person who usually are the one who, unboxing it for the first time just to sell it. So yeah, anyway, here we have the plasma launcher, I think. Looks pretty cool. I was told from the owner that this figure is very delicate. He actually army built these guys. He's got like 14 of these. So this is just one of them that he wants to get rid of. So, yeah. I know, right? Some people just have so much money. 14 Terminators. Yeah. When you're like, one of the co-founder of like a tech company, usually you just end up with a lot of money. So this is actually very nice. I really like the design of this plasma launcher. More than I was expecting. I thought it was gonna be like kind of boring or lame and stuff. Anyway, let's see. Yeah, batteries right here for the I guess the light up function on the head. And let's see, how do I do this? I want to be very careful because the owner told me I need to be very delicate with this figure. So there we go. The thing with this figure is that it does feel very, very light. It's not like die cast or anything. This thing is made of plastic, and it's got some, since it's like a skeleton, you do want to treat it with delicacy. So there you go, right there. I think it could be somewhat of a fingerprint magnet due to the fact that it's very chromed out. So, okay, I'm kind of nervous, like just handling it. So, yeah, it's got all these pistons and gimmicks and stuff like that. So, I kind of just want to like leave it in the box. But all right, you know what? I'll hold on to this while I remove all the stuff here. I don't want it to fall over. You know, it's better safe than sorry. Here we have the included cradle. I should definitely build this stand, put this thing on the stand as soon as possible. Okay, so there we go. We have the option hands, and then we have the included base for the figure. So let's go ahead and rest this guy right here. Stay. All right. How does this thing work? Like, how the heck did they even get this in here? Oh, okay. There's the instructions. That's good, that's good. I definitely need to read the instructions. The owner has like 14 of these figures, but he actually damaged, I think, 1 or 2 of them while setting it up for the first time. So he told me to be very, very careful. So there we go. Let's go ahead. And you know what? I'm not going to mess with this stand because it looks like I need to force it into that hole. Of course, I guess the future buyer of and the future owner of this fig will probably appreciate that I don't mess around with his figure too much while I do the review. So, okay, so we have some leftover parts, not leftover part, replacement parts. I was told these are for the forearm, so in case if you break these, Hot Toys already, included these, just in case if you damage it. So, yeah, this figure is actually very, very delicate. So, this is not something you want to let a kid handle, because most likely, even adults have been known to break this figure. So it's definitely one of the, it's a delicate work of art. So just be very, very careful. All right, so make sure you read the instruction very carefully on this figure. You can replace the plate on the back of the head. And there's a screw here where you can unscrew to install the batteries. 2 of the batteries. Head can tilt 20 degrees. Jaw can open 10 degrees. Head can rotate 30 degrees. Any more than that, you risk of breaking these hydraulic, I guess, cables. Yeah, or power cables. Hydraulic, or I think it's power cables. We have these pistons on the waist that can rotate. The waist can rotate 35 degrees. And then we also have articulation here on the hip joints right there, 35 degrees. 90 degrees for the hip. Knee can bend 90 degrees. Foot can pivot 20 degrees. We have the calf swivel or knee swivel right here. Right there, if you can see that. The arm can actually move up if you remove the power cable right there. So if you detach the power cable, you can have the arm move up to 130 degrees. The arm can go perpendicular 80 degrees, and the shoulders can move 10 degrees, 90-degree bend for the elbow. Yeah, this is how you replace the hand. So in case if you break any of these, they include the extras. So basically every single time you're gonna install the hand, you're gonna have to unplug all three of those pistons and then attach the pistons to these hands. So yeah, it can get quite yeah, it's gonna be a lot of work. So in this review, I'm just gonna do I'm gonna swap out one of the hands, and that's it. I'm not gonna mess around with it too much because, well, this is for sale. So there we go. Instructions go back in here. Well, actually, I'm gonna leave it that. I'm gonna talk about that again in the review, just so give people a refresher if you do intend to buy this figure. Yeah. Because this is a work of art. Treat it like a work of art. Don't think of it as like an action figure where you're gonna be like do excessive amount of posing. Think of it as more like a statue than a figure. And it's definitely for the die-hard Terminator fans, if there are still Terminator fans out there. It's kind of this property has become like yeah, it's seen better days. So it's pretty much just reserved for people who are, really, really, really serious about the franchise. Most casual fans has pretty much signed off. From what I understand, yeah, most people have given up on this property because it just had too many failures over the years. I know the core fandom is still pretty strong, but yeah, this is definitely not something for everybody. So there we go. There's a T800 Endoskeleton, and we're gonna get ready for the review. Now, if you guys want to do a quick comparison, I still have the Age of Ultron Iron Legion figure. Hot Toys from Hot Toys. So this is MMS 299, and here's the T800. So two killer robots right here. Yeah, they are brothers. There we go. All right, so stay tuned for the review. Hope you guys get excited for this thing, because I'm kind of excited. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.